Hi, this is Miss Lori. I am at the Drapela farm outside of El Campo, Texas, and I have a treat for you. Hang on, let me see if I can flip this around. Let's see, can y'all see what color they are? Look how sweet they are, they're so cute. Uh-oh, there's one talking over there. Hi, he's coming right up to me, hi. Hi there. You can see my hand. There's my hand. Look at this guy. Hi. Look, they're all coming over. Yeah, this one's talking. Hi there. Oh my gosh, you guys are gorgeous. Oh, that's a baby. Uh-oh, he wants to play, or I don't know. Let's see, I'll put my hand out again and see if this one comes over. Hi. Hi, it's Miss Lori again. I am showing you some guineas, still at the Drapela farm, and I'm trying to get closer to them, but they keep running away from me. These are guineas, these big birds. He's a little baby. Whoa! Okay, there he is. Here's one. So it looks like this one's a... And then we got, hello. Hello, doggy. Look at all these chickens. The Drapelas have it all.
Wake up. Come here.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Come on, Penny.
This is Penny. Come on, Penny.
Come on. Penny, come on. Let me go get her a treat. She'll come out.
Okay, come on, Penny. Oh, and I see some pups back there. Hey, Penny. What kind of pig is she? Pot belly. There she comes. Hi, Penny. Oh my gosh. Hi, Penny. Come on over, Penny. Yes, hi. Oh, hi there. Oh my gosh. Hi, Penny. Here's my hand, but I don't have anything for you. We'll wait for Miss Brenda. Penny's licking. Look at this Penny. Look at her spots.
Sit down. Sit. Sit.
Oh my gosh, she knows how to sit. That is awesome. All right, I think the dogs want some too now.
Yeah, no, y'all aren't giving these.
Penny, you're awesome. What are you feeding her, Miss Brenda?
It's actually horse treats. But
Horse treats, but that's okay because it's,
yeah.
is it grains?
Yeah.
Grains. Penny, you're so cute. My daughter's gonna want you. Look at her chewing. And look, this pup wants his. Oh,
Penny, this is the last one.
That's one, Penny.
Last one.
Oh, yum. Penny! You're so cute, Penny. What other tricks can she do? Just sit?
She'll sit and stay.
Sit and stay?
Yeah.
Oh, Penny. No shake?
You're not getting no more.
No shake?
No, we didn't. Ryan kept her at school with him. She's an A&M pig. She stayed in his school, in his room with him at A&M.
Oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? This pig went to college, went to A&M, stayed in the apartment.
Quit.
They say you can do that. They can be indoor. This one's like, hello. Is this Buck?
That's Bo. Rio.
Oh, Bo. Rio?
Rio, sit down.
Oh, listen. Oh, you well-trained dogs.
I'm not getting
Not
any
too.
more.
Oh,
No.
Penny wants more.
No.
Well, Penny, you're an Aggie. Bye, Penny. Thank you. Oh, coming over. I don't have anything sweet. Uh-oh, you talking? Bye, Penny. When you said La Macha, what do you mean by that?
That's the breed.
The breed has no
It's a milk goat.
ears. A milk goat. No ears. Hi there. I don't have anything, sorry.
Morphine. Just one. If you want it. Morphine.
Morphine is her name.
Want it? Or are you going to be picky?
Wanna go Morphine? And there's the other.
These are fainters. Myotonic fainters.
They faint, everybody.
Come on, guys.
They're
Come on.
gonna come on out. Let's see what happens.
Get over here. Come on.
Oh, they're going that way. Oh, that's the way they go through. Oh, they're not fainting yet.
No, some of them will get real stiff. See how she's getting stiff? Come on, Buck.
I thought that those were the ones that were in Europe, so we have them here too. You coming, big boy?
Yeah, if he'll come out, he'll faint, probably.
The big.
Yeah, he gets real stiff real easy.
Okay.
She probably.
Oh, sorry, I stepped on a pup.
Ellie.
Sorry, doggy. Backing up. We gotta get these guys. Wow, he gets through that. Yep, he's a little stiff. He's a little stiff. Oh no, here we go.
He's not
Getting a
gonna
little
fall
stiff. It's okay, buddy.
They'll get where they can go in a minute.
He's working it off. He shook it off. Look at him. He's going.
Yeah, anything. See that one over there almost
Oh,
fainted.
that
She
one
almost went down.
Poor guys. Listen to them. They're so cute. Look at they're They're going into the big field. We got our canine entourage here.
Flower. 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 Come here. Flower.
Which
Come
one is Flower? The big horse or the little horse?
The donkey.
The donkey? Oh, did you see they mixed the donkey?
Yeah. Come on, Flower.
Oh, here comes Flower, the donkey. There's Flower. Hi, Flower.
Want that? Oh, yes, you do.
Yum.
This is a miniature donkey.
Hi. Can I pet you right up there, buddy? Trying to get you. Oh, hello.
One more. One more.
Oh, yum. I'm sorry I don't have any, but I want to pet you. Can I pet you?
Oh, yeah, you can pet her.
Come here. Come here, Flower.
Flower, quit.
It's,
She wants to pet you.
it's hard for me to hold this.
There,
Oh.
quit.
I want to touch your ears. Comes the canines. Oh, she's sweet. She looks so furry too.
She is. She hadn't lost her winter fuzz yet. She will.
Oh, okay.
I still got my winter fuzz.
And you've got a regular size horse, and then
That's a pony.
that's a pony right
And
there.
her, she's lost most of her fuzz. The white on her was her longer hair. She's lost most of it already because it's getting hot. But she was very white.
Oh, that's interesting. What a nice place to hang out. Look, they've got a little pond, all this green grass, a lot of fields, and I see cows. And then there's Flower. And then there's this guy likes
Rio.
hanging with me. Hi there, buddy.
Rio, quit.
This Rio. Rio and Buck. Oh, just talk. Hey, here we are again. Go. Maybe it's too shady. Right here. Look at these. Okay, to get an idea of how tall they are, I'm going to get Miss Brenda standing there. There's a miniature.
Yeah, Mystery's 34 inches. She's as tall as a true miniature can be.
34 inches. Okay. See, look at them. They're so cute. And they can kind of follow you around like dogs do. But today they didn't follow me. They don't know me that well.
Oh, let them do it, huh?
It gives you some idea. Look how tall. And there's the baby. The two little baby. Wow, that's a little one. How old is this one?
He's the oldest. He's about 5 weeks old.
5 weeks old. Look at him run. And then this one is how old?
She's a week younger than him, so
6 weeks old. Here we are. Get some proportion. Look at those little ponies. There's Miss Brenda. Okay. And there's a donkey way back there. Oh, and one's right by me. Hello. Where'd you go? I lost you. Oh, there you are. Yes, hello. What did you say, horse? What did you say? Can you talk? No, I'm feeling a little hoarse today. Now they're just crazy. Eating. Okay, this was an awesome visit. Now we're going to go visit Lola. Here's Lola the tortoise. Desert tortoise. Hi Lola. And how old is she?
I'm gonna have to ask.
Okay, she's going to go ask. But she was a little thing, of course, when she came here. And Miss Brenda's going to go find out.
She's 8.
She's 8 years old. They give you some proportion.
Yeah, I would say, let me put my
Put your hand down there, Miss Brenda.
She fit in your hand when we got her.
Oh my gosh, so she fit in her hand. You got her.
All right, Miss Lola.
Oh, Miss Lola. Let's get a little closer. So a desert tortoise. She's not moving at all. A little bit the head. Look at the front. What do you call the claws?
She has a huge hole. She lives in a hole.
Thanks, Lola. And gets it. There's a mama and her baby. This is one of the bigger miniature horses.
She's a miniature and a pony. A miniature can be 38 inches.
Oh, miniature and a pony. And that's her baby. Oh, she's talking.
Yeah. She wants to get out.
There's your baby. Look at her baby. Nice job. Aw. Oh, the dog just crawled underneath. And there's Miss Brenda to show you some idea of how small they are. Aww. Here's Flower again. Here's Flower.
Come on, Mustard.
Oh, we're gonna look for mustard?
Come on, Mustard.
Mustard, like
Mustard.
Ketchup and mustard?
Yeah, this is Smokey. The other one's
Hi,
Mustard.
Smokey. Oh, hello.
Smoke.
Hi, Smoke.
This one I bottle raised. He's 26 now, probably. And Mustard over there holding the button. He's 20 something.
There's Flower hanging out. Just follow us around. Aw,
Untie my shoe. Here, untie my shoe. Let's see you do it. Oh, nope. Don't want to do it? I'm kind of curious. There's the pups. Go back. Oh, don't want to tie my shoe.